Geber, ik bedoel, maar gaan we een mooie indik van ook een wijn. Met geen ben doen dan factory. Meistens eine von der größten heimische businesses, factories do in New Jersey. Wie groß ist the building?
About 650,000 square feet.
650,000 square feet building. Geber, het is misschien inwendig. How do say? Mooi schief. Fast gaan maar aan. Hoe gaan we het meer weinig gezien doen dat hoor?
Plain details dat zibber in my minister kan zeggen. Plain wazen van Neulam a bisschen about cabinets. I know people buy a home, they kind of want to know what's the difference between framed cabinets, frameless cabinets, what's do available. So we just want to show a little bit from Neulam. In some manufacturing and we do...
Cabinets hebben we bij CNC Cabinetry. Dus gaan we daar een inwendig zien, wat is behind the scenes, wie ze both cabinets. Ik glaube, ga je sogar 60% van Lakewood Houses.
Look, if there would have been an agency...
actually kitchens from CNC, Samus?
If there would have been an agency who keeps track, but that's probably the number.
Wow, nice.
Boston's a brand new showroom. This actually opened 2 weeks ago. Shows everything that we have, different ranges, different budgets. There's a beautiful kitchen displays inside here, but let's start with the factory. Show the master oil a little behind the scenes. Father oil guy daheim.
Wow, gaan we de kijkers uit voor. We doen de factory van CNC Cabinetry en we doen mooie indik. Mooi, is great. Dus gaan we maar gaan zacht exercise. Een riesige plaats doen.
Welcome to the kitchen. It's macht me 10,000 steps a day. You ready?
Gegangen.
Okay. Welcome to the kitchen. The behind the scenes is how cabinets wird gemacht. Okay? I don't know if people know this about cabinets. Cabinets are puzzle pieces. Average cabinet line has about 350 to 400 different sizes. That can possible combinations that can go into your kitchen. So that means in somewhere about 125 different door styles, which means that we right now need to have enormous inventory. So these are all basically unassembled cabinets or parts of different cabinets in inventory. And it's like, this continues going here, it continues going in the back, like miles, 650,000 square foot of inventory. Now we're seeing the factory a little bit. You'll see how things get assembled, how it gets put together. And I don't know, we can talk a little bit about capabilities. Roem, doe maar eens de Mattel. Mattie is de production manager. Je doet meteen zo werk, wie veel? 25 uur bezig? 40.
Come on. Okay. Mattie, ga je erin wagen?
Da war ein bisschen gemacht, mit der Cabinetry, wie der actual Cabinetry werden gemacht. Du der erste Schnitt, Matthias gonna cut it, man hat hier zu Zeit. Das ist will, von dem geht man machen ein Tier, du, das geht werden ein Tier. Okay. So. Jetzt haben wir geschnitten alle Stückchen, und jeder eins hat schon Maschine, jetzt können wir es noch einmal zusammenstellen. Matthias.
Oh wow, hij heeft alles weer gemaakt met de hand?
Ja. Once the wood is machined, it's glued like we try on the clamp, or it's the clamp for a halbe shoe. You get what it's good.
Okay, once the cabinets are put together and the parts are put together, they had to be sanded in order to be painted or stained. So these are all ready to go into the sanding room, and from there it goes into the painting. So everything goes into the machine that it sands automatically, but it always gets to be done by hand afterwards to make sure that it's done right, especially when you get like little nooks and parts. Huh?
Is it the sanding machine over here?
The sanding machine, yeah. In order for the paint to catch properly and should last longer, you have to always do the edges by hand. So they always go over it after it comes out the machine to make sure that it comes out good.
Spray line entrance.
So once the door is sanded and ready to be finished, it goes onto this machine, and the machine takes it in, and it gets automatically sprayed with an even tone.
Hoe is deze hoe de ganze station?
So different colors, so you can constantly keep on changing. See,
wow, there's a riesige machine in this.
Yeah, so this is where the door goes through, it gets sprayed, the even coating, and it enters this machine, which is the Scheffler, which is an oven, which bakes everything into the cabinet, so it comes out of the end of the machine completely dry. Jetzt wird was in the spray room. Du machst man this in the more stained and more delicate finishes. This wird gemacht by hand. This is the bottom part of a hood. This is the handmade spray booth where we do the more intricate, the nicer finishes. That's the finished doors. It's the beautiful espresso stain. That's the smoky gray.
Kijk zo'n handgemaakt streepdesign. Mooie ding.
Once the cabinets are all done and all painted and finished, it gets put on the line. Every assembler gets a full set, and they put together the cabinets, and then it moves on to quality control.
Dat hebben we door pakken of Swedish cabinets.
The most important thing in CNC, as they do, is do kitchen by kitchen or vanity by vanity. Je the line had a separate color. Je the oak, some do oak, some are white. Je the color, kitchen by kitchen. Komt het samen doen. We check the colors, maar zeggen dat het top quality parts gaat daaruit. You like that of the foam wrap of the cabinets with the corners. Als nodig de kind of fun of the trucks. The customer anywhere in the United States is the guide. Mag me zeggen aan high-end packaging. Most time our packaging is like a refrigerator. Dan fully packaged with corners, foam, foam to the cabinets. And but they do also come to some gun. So we have high-end piece of furniture.
Wow, mooi dit. Hebben we het besteld zo. Matti, wieso arbeitet es? Wieso weiß welche size of box auszufahren? Welche Part of box to do?
I get the cash from him. So basically, I rub the line that scan for the label. I'll label and back for the cabinet. And then scan for the quality. And also to complete the system. And also to get the road out now box. Per size, per cabinet, comes the road out back.
Wow. Wow, dat is de back. Nu weer de box strikt gegeven per minuut. Put that over roll. Print the box special for the size.
Do it alles gestaged. Once everything is ready, it gets staged to be shipped out. I don't know if you know this, some of our lines can be shipped out within 2 to 3 business days out from our warehouse, which is record fast. No company can do that. Longest lead time that we have, standard lead time, is about 2 weeks. So, which in the industry is about 4 to 8 weeks on most other companies. Everything is
Dus de einde man zich pieren moet maken naar Pfizer Kitchen, hast du dan
exactly 100%. You got to talk to your dealer. Your dealer sets your lead time, but from our factory it goes out within 2 to 3 days. We have about 20 trucks on the road every single day in the Northeast. I don't know if people know this, but CNC has locations in Orlando, Greenville, South Carolina, Dallas, Texas, Las Vegas, Nevada. We have trailers going cross country.
Laat me de vragen. Wieso arbeitet es einer will bestellen nach Kitchen, darf man die direkt, man kann dann kommen to the showroom, man kann dann kommen to the factory.
Go to your dealer. We don't deal with design, we don't deal with layouts. You go to your dealer. If you're looking where to find a dealer, go to cnccabinetry.com. On the website is a dealer locator. You put in your zip code, it'll tell you where to buy, specifically in your area. And just get connected to them. They'll just be in touch with us, tell them what you want, and yeah,
Good to go.
So you just saw how cabinets were made, and now I just want to give you guys an overview of what CNC is all about and what the kind of products that CNC has and what they have to offer. Just a quick note, we say we're America's best value in cabinetry. The whole motto of CNC was to bring an affordable kitchen cabinet to everybody. We want to make kitchen cabinets accessible to everyone. You see a high-end kitchen that costs you a ton of money, you want to have that same look, you can have it with CNC, a lot more affordable. We have, starting from the very, very low end to the mid to high end, and we have so much in every single sector. So I'll start with what we call our builder's grade line. This is what we call the Luxor line. It's a beautiful natural light wood finish, which are very, very, very trending. It comes standard with a slab drawer front. People can want to have the profile on the drawer front. It's an upgrade. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. There's 3 paints, 2 paints, 3 stains.
This is what Rough Developments give for standard?
This is probably what most developments give you standard, yes. Upgrading from that is the frameless line, the more modern, which is becoming very, very popular recently. We have it in 2 box options. We have it in a maple, white finish. The maple comes with like the modern metal drawers. It comes in
Wow, 20
24 different colors. You have the wood stains. This is a very interesting like reeded finish. And then we have our Concord line. That's the classic line. The Concord line is also a little more upgraded of the Luxor line. It's again, this is a framed cabinet. Also comes in about 4 or 5 different door styles, and it has about 10 to 12, 15 finishes per door style.
Nice.
In total, we have a combination of about 125 different door styles, depending door styles and colors. We have the skinny shaker, extremely popular. This is the blue Adirondack blue, very popular. I'll show you something which people absolutely love, is the rift cut white oak. The super popular. Everybody, very high-end look, affordable price. It comes in 2 different stains, a light and a dark. This is our stone finish, extremely popular. CNC is actually very well known for this. Yeah, this is a new door, just the opposite. It's a reversed raised panel.
Yeah, this is
it pops out in the center. It's a very interesting door. We developed this ourselves. It's called the Highland.
Give us the cup behind the development all this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me that hand. Listen,
this is what we do. It's a lot of fun. We get to play, we get to come up, we get...
What's happening to do?
Okay, just to show you how these cabinet doors come together in a beautiful, nice kitchen. We have the ale, the Sai ale.
Wie kommt erop to today's showroom? They are designers, or is it private
designers and kitchen cabinetiers. When you want to buy your own kitchen, you go to a kitchen cabinet store. You go to your local dealer. Your dealer will take your measurements. He'll create your layout.
And the dealer comes down
help
here.
You choose. This showroom is for dealers. It's also meant for dealers who don't have a full-fledged showroom. They want to send their customers to be able to look at the selection. They can come here. I also want to show you that kitchen cabinets are not just for kitchens. You can use it for other things as well. So this is a mudroom that we put together, like a little mudroom closet, all made with cabinets. If you're creative, you know how to use cabinets, there's so many things you can do with cabinets. You get probably a lot cheaper than doing custom closets. You've seen this.
This is our famous new kitchen.
We came up with this, and just to set the scene a little bit. De koopste naar je huis. Ze kent met op bruine ekkelige kitchen, all the color, but you really want it to be like off-white, a really modern, general kitchen. Other than Bob wants like black cabinets, which are very trending now, but you want the white one, was that Baba gehad? This is it. With the click of a button, you can change the color of your cabinets. So I'm just gonna move the wheel around a little bit.
Wow, serious?
And if you want, we can play around with it. You can increase the brightness.
Blue.
Give me a color.
This is maroon, red, matching to the side.
Matching to the side.
Wow. Nice.
There you go.
What's the price na kleine meidel? Is that the pink? Ach, pink kitchen.
Yeah, it's a birthday party. Look, here you go. We got pink today. I read the expression, you woke up feeling blue. We got blue. I'll show you something cool. This is nog eens gezien.
Wow.
That's the birthday party in Anaheim. People say even July 4, machen red, white, green, and blue. I'll show you something interesting.
I'm serious. This is more.
There you go. This came around in 2-3 duschen. We developed this product, patent pending. Some of the dudes, but the show letzte Jahr was smashing here at KBS in Vegas. Jetzt können wir sich herumspielen, du. This is fun.
Oh, yeah. You guys du sitzen, du hörst DJs in the kitchen, wir schaust mir Kost, das ist lebendig.
Yeah. You can do laundry rooms. Very thoughtfully crafted. You can figure out your space.
This is for the custom closets. This is a soft laundry rooms.
You can do everything with cabinets. Studies. Showroom-stieb.
No way.
How about that?
Seriously?
How about that? This is
cabinet. The holes in the back machst du auch?
No, the whole wood in the back is just the wall panels. Well,
but
come on. It's all cabinets. The wall cabinets combined. It's all cabinet. This is a butler's pantry / wine room. Show you something cool. Come here. Gratitude by CNC Cabinetry.
Yeah.
Private label. We're full of surprises.
Give it a bottle.
I'll get you a bottle. This is just a modern kitchen, more in style with what people do these days. It's a very interesting door. If you take a look, it's at a pro finish and like a read it. Very unique.
Fine, most is scored. Thank you so much for the tour. And I never knew so viele Sachen going behind the scenes, so viele Sachen. And most I'm really surprised. Sehr viel Arbeitskatran in jede kitchen. Was man meint, ich bin stolz auf ein heimischer Shop, eine riesige Sache.
This is gekommen. Man hatte noch gewähnt kitchen. Man hatte noch gebaut kitchens by hand. He built stuff by hand. He enjoyed this, and he wanted to build it into something bigger than that.
Wie lange did you get from CNC?
35 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you're going in your father's footsteps.
We'll try. If only we can live up to.
Geweldig. Schoon, ik mooi zien hoe het gaat.
Sure.